Here you see two gravestones. One is of Alexander, the son of Karageorge, and the father of Peter. Around here, there are more gravestones. Many of them are empty. There are 22 which are still empty. That gives a chance for the future of the Karageorgevich family, not only to continue, but also to be buried.
Ja sam kapetan tradicionalne kraljeve garde, Tomić Dragutin. Inače, mi nismo paravojna jedinica, mi smo vojska za obezbeđenje kralja do njegovog krunisanja.
This fantastic monumental chandelier is made from the metal which was melted down from the weapons of the First and Second Balkan Wars. As you can see, this is in the middle of the church, directly under the Jesus Christ. On either side here, you will see the tombstones of Karageorge, the founder of the dynasty, and my grandfather, Peter. They come from the people. This is a national monarchy, monarchy of the people, and for the people, and with the people.
Svoje radnose i krike kojima se odazivajo i Petar prvi. Živela Srbija!
This here is my nephew, Crown Prince Alexander, with his family, with his wife, and other members of my family here. Now, you may think that this is a cheap and a gimmick. It isn't. It's a very expensive way of doing the paintings, which I personally think they're very good indeed, because it actually shows the depth behind the dynasty. It looks like a portrait done by Rembrandt. He's my youngest son. He's only 6.5. It is funny how genes go through a family, including when we got mixed marriages, that this boy, he's called Michael. And if only he had moustaches, he would look like the founder of our family, Karageorge.
Puszka pucze